Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I've got a gorgeous set from Modelones. It's not gel polishes this time. This time it's their nail art tools. I haven't even opened it yet. I'll put the official name of what it's called on the screen and I'll put a direct link to it below. They just sent me this gorgeous box. I know what's in it because I've seen other people's videos where they won and they showed off their boxes as well. Modelones has been just so generous to me and gave me this. I've had it here for a couple weeks now. Haven't opened it. It came with bubble wrap all over it in another box, well protected. There's more bubble wrap inside. And then there's of course cushioning material. They've got it packed up very, very nice. I've got that bag. They've got this gorgeous bag to protect this gorgeous bag underneath. Look at this. It's a blue. It's textured. It's got a very nice pull with their logo on it. This is a shoulder bag. But what's in it? I'm going to show you what's in it. I'm going to show you. First off, everything seems to be in these gorgeous little bags. It's got their registered trademark logo. We communicate the world with color. And these are the gel polish remover pads. Can't have too many of those. Occasionally, these will be a free gift with your purchase. Currently, I believe they've got a free bottle. You just pay shipping so that you can just try one color if you would like. They have often a buy 3 bottles, get 1 for free. Love that. You don't have to buy a whole collection. You can just buy them individually. And I believe if you make a certain amount of money purchase, you can get a free nail lamp. That's cool as well. So give them a follow. Go visit their website. But stay tuned for the video first. Don't leave yet. We've got more goodies. Of course, the strap comes in this bag. Well protected. Let me take this out real quick. And my, this is heavy, heavy. It's gorgeous. Let me see how this clips on. I'm watching everyone else's videos. You just clip it onto the side. You could just use this as a clutch if you wanted to. This is a nice long strap. So it clicks onto both sides. Very nice. You could store your tools in here. But I'm thinking just to use this as a bag. Oh, there's one more goodie in here. So let me dig through my goodies. I've seen several people open theirs up already. Look at matte black nail clippers with their logo on it. Very springy, very sturdy feeling. They're the curved kind. Got a nice grip here. I like that. So let's see what else we've got. This is my first look at my own. Everything is individually wrapped. I'm going to take them out of the bags. They're 100-180 file. This is a regular file. Nice stiff one. Need plenty of those in your life. There's even more packets in here. There's tons of these things in here. Okay, everything seems to be in their gorgeous new matte black finish. These are cuticle cutters. They're the kind where you open and you close. One side is angled, one side is without the blade. So be careful when using these if you're not experienced. They've got a cuticle tool. This side is where you would scrape off your dead cuticle on your nail plate before prepping your nails. I've got polish on so I can't really do it. This side is to push back that skin. Make sure everything's off. You may want to give it another scrape. Just clean maintenance. You can also clean under your nails. Very convenient. Can't have too many of these. See, they're buffer blocks. I love these things. I love them. It's 100-180. I love these. Can't get enough of these. Let's see what else. Everything has got their logo on it. I love the new logo. a striping brush, very nice. For instance, let's see, I had to put gel polish on something. You would put the gel or regular polish, whatever your medium. Some people like to use acrylic paints, and you can drag lines. I've got to get better at doing that. I myself do not keep these. It's very hard to get it back on. These go in the trash when I can. I love that it's got a nice metal lid. Look, their logo's on the top too. That is a nice bigger hole to put your brush back in. I love my gel brushes coming this way. This is, let's see, a gel brush. Nice thick handles on these. Again, no need to save these or save them for brushes that don't have lids. Let's see, everybody's always talking about brushes come with glue in them. Let's see. Nothing in the brush. Nothing at all in this brush. Not a gel brush. Not any that I've had except for something like these cheapy brushes. Sometimes these have glue in them, but not this. This didn't have nothing in it. Cornstarch is in some brushes. It's a very nice brush. You could apply potted gels with this quite easily. Or you could take their gels out of the container to do arts with, or you could apply hard gel with these. I actually use a brush this size just to put my hard gel on, and I get it right up to that cuticle line without going over. That's nice. I alternate between a round and a square. It's just all in what your mood is that day. That's very cool. Now this I've been wanting to see. It's got their little logo on here. I've seen it on everybody's videos, and I'm wondering where does, oh, this comes from Mirandy's Life collection that I reviewed earlier. It'll be up here. There'll be many videos coming with arts on that. I've been wondering about this because it's a brush, the Model 1's logo, and I wondered how that brush is fitting in here. But look, it's just a cover. At first I was like, how did all this fit into here? But it's a little cover like a lipstick tube. This is about the size of a big lipstick. This is for, say, after you've prepped, you can dust off the what have yous, the little dead skins, and cleanse your nail and get ready to go. A lot of people files, brushing it off. You get your glitter out and make a mess, brush it off. Can't have too many of these. I love this little set. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Until next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.